All right, who's next? Angela.
Oh! I think she can find where the dick is on this thing.
Angela, find dick?
Oh!
Maybe we should have her pin it on Jason.
Oh!
Oh my God. Some credit. I don't know if that's scarred for life. Maybe just the next 25 years. Alright, do you want to try the elephant now? For real, yeah. I'm going for an elephant, man. Jason's not good enough. Good job. Oh! Not prehensile.
What do you mean I don't have a 5-foot cock? I'm disappointed.
Yep, here's the top. Okay.
I was saying every time you had a boner.
Oh, yeah. Not bad.
You had a 5-foot
Under
cock.
the tail.